D-Lab on the bench today. I have a very cool item. It is a Conar model 311 resistance and capacitive bridge, okay, with the magic eye. Very cool. Now this was a kit, kind of like Heathkit did. So here's the nifty manual, dated 1971, with all the construction details. I think that these were used for those technical schools like Bell and Howell, okay? So I believe that's where this came from, but it was actually owned by a service member. He passed away, and I'm selling it for his family. So in this video, I'm going to give it a quick check out, throw in some new caps, because it's going on the market. Here we go. Alright, so here it is, the Conar Model 311. Kind of a basic design, really has that old 60s look to it. So I've got it set up to measure capacitance right now because I want to verify it works before I put any maintenance into it. Here is a 22 microfarad cap. Put him in there. You can see the old bridge is working. There's a null indicator. It's a little bit dim. I see a little bit of jitter in the window, so I'm assuming filter caps are bad. Let's open it up, take a look. Alright, I've already removed some of the screws as you saw. Speed up the video. Here's his top side. Your magic eye tube, power transformer, switch, the null pot, and one tube. Let's look underside. Alright, here we go. Bottom side of the unit. Obviously a little bit cleaner than the top. Filter caps. Couple controls, terminal strip, very basic construction. So here's the main filter caps we're going to change. It's a pair of 4 microfarad 500 volt caps, some old Mallory's, been in there since the day it was built, so we're going to change them out, give this thing some new life. But talking about life, look at a little bit closer here, down here in the webs between the caps, there's a bug, okay? That guy must have met his fate via filter cap discharge. I wonder how that happened.
And now the movie. Oh.
Boy, this sure looks like a great place to hang out for the winter. Hey, what's these leaves? Whoops!
Bugzinga! End of the pest. Boy, I need some wine after that. Let's get the show on the road. Armed with wine, fresh capacitors, and the new Angel Risen CD. I shall conquer the Conar. That's right, Angel's back, guys. The group from the 70s just released this CD this month. Very cool. You've got to check these guys out. Now, back to the repair. Got the old caps out. New caps are in. I had to extend the leads slightly so they would meet the span of the old original caps. There they are, installed, ready to test. Alright, lights out. Just fired it up. Let's see what we got going on. Magic eye, fired right up. It's a lot brighter than what it was, isn't it? Put our capacitor back on there. Oh yeah, I cleaned the switches with Deox, so there she is. Working great. Looks like I gotta clean this control a little bit. It looks like the old Conar is ready for combat. Another most excellente repair here, D-Lab Electronics, of the Conar RC tester. A little help from some Vino and Angel. If you're interested in one of these instruments, I've been selling this equipment on reverb.com. Check it out. See you again.